Let me get your profile there, Parrot.
I got a big nose. Don't take the side on me. Christ, I look like Jimmy Durante.
That's all right.
This is not a toy.
Parrot, there's a shadow.
That's all right. It'd probably be the best one. Jesus Christ, you get any closer, you're going to cut my hair. You'll be a barber.
Look up, Parrot, for me.
Huh?
Look up. It's so too dark.
I can't help it.
Where can we get?
How's that?
Cool.
Huh?
Good. Let me get around.
I wonder if you're leveling with me, Ingrid.
Why is that?
Jesus Christ, for an essay in the classroom.
Don't curse, Parrot. What year were you born in, Parrot?
1914.
1914?
Yep. The start of the Second World War.
And what else? What month and date?
Oh, July.
When
The latter part of July. The same day as Jackie Onassis. The girl they just buried.
What, I like that profile, Parrot. What, when did you come here?
What's that?
When did you start Chambersburg?
You mean the Little League?
Yeah.
1951.
Jeez. When, was that the first year they started?
Yeah.
One more side and I'm done. You love it, Parrot. Who you kidding? Right?
I'm having a ball.
You're what?
I'm having a ball. This is my lucky day.
All right, Parrot. I'll leave you alone.
That's the ball game. That's the ball game.
Go ahead. Say goodbye to the camera for me. Good luck.
Yep, thank you. Come and get the equipment. I'm tired.
What are you all dressed up for? Somebody must be taking your picture today,
She took my picture, and that other guy, this just works for the newspaper or something.
Yeah, he's doing an article how tan you are already. They want to know where you went, what island you went.
Where's he from? Orlando, Florida? Or
Acapulco, near there.
Acapulco, Mexico?
Yeah.
I've been there.
He does the cliff diving in the championships.
Yeah.
I won? Yeah, I don't have my phone on.